In this video, I will show you how to design a conference in advance. First thing you do is you choose the person or the group of individuals that you want to have to be able to participate in the conference. And you click on the conference designer icon, which is the icon with the monitor with the little colors on it there. When you click on that, the conference designer box will come up. There are a few options that you have here. First, you can either create a new conference. When you create a new conference, what you do is you put a title to it. And we'll call this one New Conference. Or you can click on Save Conferences and then basically retrieve any conferences that were previously either recorded or that you had placed in a title to. This is good if you're going to be setting up a teaching environment where you want to have pre-recorded conferences designed in advance for teaching purposes, whatever your curriculum might be. Well, in this case, we'll go back to the new conference. When you're done typing in, now you get to choose what type of conference you want to use. The conference designer is normally default at the side-by-side communicator, but you have a choice of either choosing the boardroom, video, or the audio. We'll stay with the side-by-side. You can either click Next, which will take you to the next tab, which is the whiteboard, or you can actually click on the tab itself to get to that particular tab. In this case, the public open storage. We'll add a Blackboard. What you do is you actually click on the actual storage facility or the storage file in which you want that file, or that file will be placed into it. Double click on it. It will appear on the box on the right. Choose that particular file from the right and then just add it to your conference there. You will see that the file itself will appear on the viewer above, and then you have the option of allowing printing and allowing savings. Basically, it's a choice that you actually have concerning any document that you put into the conference designer itself. When you're done with choosing, in this case, we'll add another one, the whiteboard, and we've added a Blackboard. When you're done adding the whiteboards, I can either click on the icon to the left, which is the PDF one, or I can click on Next. Again, it's a matter of choice. In this particular case, I'll click on Public Open Storage. I'll pull up the competitive analysis, click on it, allow printing, allow saving. I'll possibly add the Invisalign brochure. Click on Add to Conference, allow printing, allow saving, and I'll click Next. Now, basically, it's asking if I want to add an image file. Again, the same process. Click on Open Public Open Storage. I can also click on Private Storage, which are pretty much are the files that you put in there privately. And the Group Storage are any files that you have put together or compiled or placed into a folder for a specific group. Again, anyone who belongs to that group can have access to those files, and anyone that has access to everyone pretty much has access to the public open storage. This particular case, I'm just going to I'll put the Creek JPEG, and I'll do the Forest Flowers JPEG, allow printing, allow saving, allow printing, allow saving, and again, just click Next. Now I have the option of adding a web browser or a URL. In this particular case, I'll put in VisualSoft. Add it to the conference, and possibly Live Instructor Suite. Again, you can add as many URLs if you want, but also when you do the conference, you also have the capability of changing the URL and browsing the internet live. So we'll just do two for now. If you click on the next icon, I'll click Next. Now this brings the screen sharing screen. Now, basically being that I only have Dennis Jordan available on the screen on the bottom, which is this white area here, if I choose to allow Dennis Jordan to see the screen, then what I would do is highlight his name, and I would click View Only up here on top. If I want to have Dennis Jordan have the ability to be able to PC remote into my computer, and manipulate any program that might be in the computer itself, then I have a choice of either going interactive, custom, allowing him to share my mouse, share my keyboard, wake my screen, allow him to copy text from my applications onto his computer, or paste text from his applications, or allow users to paste text into my applications. Again, it's a matter of choice there. When you're done, what you do is you actually click finish, and you actually will be initiating your conference call at that moment.